In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert Greek letters in the equation editor in Apple's Keynote, Pages, and Numbers apps. So for the Greek letter, you'll do backslash the name of the letter followed by a space. That space after the name is really important because without it, the editor is trying to read everything like it's one command, and it's not. So make sure you have a space, and anytime you follow this name and then function, you're going to have that space afterwards. When you're writing the Greek letters, the first letter of the name determines if it's uppercase or lowercase Greek letters. So for example, here are a couple Greek letters and their names. Let's open up the equation editor. Keyboard shortcut Command Option E. Dialog box pops open like this. The top of it is where you're going to type in your command. So I'm going to make a fraction with delta x over delta t. And you can see how it's all done. I used backslash delta space before the x and the t. Now on this page, this shows all the Greek letters. And this is actually a piece from overleaf.com. And there's so much on this page. There are math symbols, arrows. There's just so much on these pages in terms of the symbols. And they all follow the same basic idea of backslash name space. If you want to, the shortcut address was bit.ly/3 capital W 4 capital A 9 lowercase t and 9.